It's a story only Apple Valley News Now has been covering in depth. Mabton Mayor Rachel Morales, facing 2 recall petitions against her, has appealed both to the state Supreme Court. But Apple Valley News Now's Emily Goodell reports the mayor hasn't followed up on her requests.
I spoke with Yakima County Auditor Charles Ross, who says the mayor appears to have missed key deadlines in the appeal process for the first recall petition against her.
There was supposed to be a whole nother section of documents coming from her that were never filed.
So instead of both sides testifying in front of the state Supreme Court, the court will make their decision based solely on the initial filings after a hearing December 5th.
They could consider the whole thing politically motivated and dismiss the entire process, I'm sure. More likely than not, they are looking to see if our local judges' decisions were within the color of the law. There are deadlines with the Supreme Court, and those deadlines came and went, and therefore, I strongly suspect they're going to dismiss the appeal and maintain Yakima County's ruling.
As for the second petition,
if it were to follow the same circumstance of events, it would probably end up in the same position.
If the state Supreme Court dismisses the appeal, the recall moves forward. Petitioners need roughly 60 signatures from Mabton voters, certified by the state auditor's office, which must get it on the ballot within 90 days.
We have a regular election cycle that comes in February, so highly likely if that's within the 90 days, we would do it that way.
If the recall fails, Ruelas stays in office. Her term is up at the end of 2025, but she told a Yakima County Superior Court judge last month she'd be running for re-election. If the recall succeeds, Ruelas will be removed from office.
Normally, a position like that, the council would appoint somebody to fill that position until the next qualified election for that community, which would, be the next primary general cycle.
Which would be fall of 2025, with the newly elected mayor taking office in January 2026. We'll keep you updated on what the state Supreme Court decides and what happens with the recall process moving forward. Reporting from the Yakima newsroom, Emily Goodell, Apple Valley News Now.